Trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Qu'est-ce que tu dis maintenant? Ready?
Now time. Here I come.
Mama.
It's not. Nope. It's not. No. Yeah.
You found me! That was not the best hiding spot. Okay, you find me again. Count to 10.
I actually had no idea where you were. That fooled me.
You saw me.
I didn't know until you came
Count
up.
to 10. Let's get fast. Count to 10, Jamesy. Mommy and I are going to hide. Ready?
Oh, maintenant, et tante Sylvie cette fois, James.
Close your eyes.
Et moi aussi?
James,
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes, buddy. Come and find.
He gets to count first.
Oh.
James, as-tu compté pour trouver tante Sylvie?
1, 2, 3,
Non, non, tu dois compter jusqu'à 10.
4,
Non, non, 1.
3, 4. We're not here. I come.
Non, tu dois compter jusqu'à 10, James. Dis 1.
One.
Tu penses que tu as trouvé quelqu'un?
Oui.
Qui as-tu trouvé? Ok, on va voir.
Mom.
Uh-huh. Mama! Madeline found me first. She gave it away.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, buddy. Let's go find Auntie Sylvie.
Here.
Where is she? Okay.
Come, please.
Okay. Madeline, come on. Let's go find Auntie Sylvie.
Be quiet, Mom.
Okay. Why? Is she there? No.
Here. Nope, not there.
Check behind Papa.
Over
Is she
there.
there? Nope. Not there.
Over there. Over here, Mom.
No, I don't see her in there.
Over
Madeline.
and here. And here.
I don't think so. She's a lot bigger than that hammer. Where could she be,
Over
Madeline?
here, Mom. Over here. Over here, Mom.
Sylvie, you might want to talk.
Hi.
He's losing interest.
I'm over here. Oh, careful. Go around.
Hi, Auntie Sylvie.
Hi, James. Come and find me. Where is she? She's not at your workshop.
Yeah.
Madeline's working hard to find you, actually.
Come and get me.
Yeah, she is. She's going.
There's no water.
Come on, Madeline. Where's Auntie Sylvie?
There's some water, Auntie Sylvie.
Did you find me?
Some water.
He hasn't found you yet. He hasn't. But you might get thirsty because it'll take a while, so he thought he'd deliver water.
Thank you.
And then go look for you.
I'm fine.
Still can't find her. Here, Aunt Sylvie. You'll need this. It's gonna be a while. Where is she?
Looking behind the couch. She found me on the couch first.
She always gives it away. She always finds you first, but then gives it away to everyone else.
Okay, you guys. I think it's time to take a bath. Come and find. Or not.
Oh, no.
Madeline, come and find. James, you come and find.
It's November 27th, 2009.
Come and find Mama and Auntie Sylvie.
It's now, Mom.
James just fixed it.
Nice work. She always finds first. Good girl, Madeline.
Madeleine, où est tante Sylvie maintenant?
Oh, wow, it's fixed. Good job, James.
Où est tante Sylvie?
Okay. Mwah.
Peux-tu trouver tante Sylvie maintenant, Madeleine? Où est tante Sylvie? Tante Sylvie, give a hint.
I'm somewhere where it's chilly.
Oh, j'ai entendu tante Sylvie.
Quick, 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 quick. Go, go, go.
Je l'ai entendu.
Come get me. My toes are probably showing. Did you find her?
No. That's fine. You.
Maybe here. Good job. Nice job, you guys. Honey, Madeline, where are you? There you are. I keep hiding in this.
We only have about 3 spots to hide in this place. Lucky for blankets, you just basically put that wherever you want and you can hide.
Rock down, a computer down. Okay, who wants to take a bath?
Moi. Pas toi, James?
Look, Madeline's getting changed already. You need a bath. Banana.
James, pas toi? Tu ne veux pas prendre de bain aujourd'hui?
Okay, let's go take a
Es-tu
bath.
certain? On va aller prendre un bain. Tu veux venir
Or
ou
a
non?
shower. You need
Oh.
one.
Ben, on peut jouer dans le bain aussi.
Smacking your belly. Madeline's running. Okay, let's go, honey.
Ok, on y va. Tu vas lire ton livre pendant qu'on prenne un bain, James?
Good girl. Good girl, Madeline.
Think it's what you. Pendant qu'on prend un bain. I'm having a hard time with subjective tense.
Good girl. No, bathtub, Madeline. Go, 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 go. Good girl. Oh, good job. Keep it up. Okay, Madeline, say bye. Come say bye to Papa. Wave to Papa. Okay, I'm gonna go take a bath.
Ok, amuse-toi, Madeleine. Tiens, qu'est-ce que tu fais là-bas? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Je me mets. Tu t'assois sur le siège? Sur la chaise? Qu'est-ce que tu fais avec ce livre-là? Est-ce que tu lis ce livre-là? Oui, je. Dis oui, je. Oui, tu lis le livre? Dis oui, je lis. Tu peux dire oui, je lis ce livre-là. Non, je lis le livre. Oui. Et on dirait que tu t'amuses beaucoup. Cheese? Ok. Peux-tu dire bye-bye aux caméras? Peux-tu me faire bye-bye avec ta main? Signe avec ta main. Dis je t'aime beaucoup. Peux-tu dire bonjour à Mémé et Pépé et grand-maman et papa avant de dire bye-bye? Ok, dis ça. Bonjour à toutes ces personnes-là. Peux-tu faire bonjour à toutes ces personnes-là? Mais pas à caca. Dis bonjour à grand-maman.
Bonjour, caca.
Ben non, on dit bonjour à grand-maman.
Bibi.
Peux-tu dire bonjour aux personnes que tu aimes beaucoup, s'il vous plaît?
She's grandmama.
Hey?
She's papa.
Hey?
Hey. Pippi. She's Pippi.
Oui, hey?
She's Mama.
Bravo. D'autres personnes? Qui d'autre?
Maman. Si pas. Quoi, maman?
Tu as déjà dit grand-maman. Peux-tu dire d'autres personnes?
Oui.
Qui d'autre? Peut-être Blake?
Si, Blake.
Oui, et qui est le frère de Blake? Qui est le petit...
Si, Laura.
Ça, c'est la maman de Blake.
Oui.
Qui est le petit garçon qui vit avec Blake?
Maman.
Ben non, maman n'est même pas un garçon, elle est une fille.
Oh.
Qui est le petit frère de Blake? Il s'appelle...
Maman.
Le petit bébé qui habite avec Blake. Quel est son nom? Le petit bébé. Il s'appelle...
Kyle.
Oui, Kyle. Et qui est le bébé qui vit avec toi?
Kyle.
Ta petite sœur. Qui est ta...
Madeleine.
Madeleine qui?
My name is Purtle.
Madeleine qui?
My name is Purtle.
Non, c'est pas Madeleine Owen Eden Porto. Toi, tu es James Owen Eden Porto. Et c'est Madeleine...
Candy Purtle.
Ça, c'est maman. Madeleine...
Lily Led Purtle.
Bravo. Et moi, c'est quoi?
Papa.
Ben, papa, quel est mon nom? Quel est le nom de papa? Le nom de papa est... Est-ce que mon nom est James?
No.
C'est quoi?
Papa Purtle.
Papa Porto? C'est pas
Candy Purtle.
Moi, c'est James y Porto?
Non.
Toi, c'est James y Porto.
Oui.
Est-ce que c'est le temps de fermer la caméra? Oh, oh. Ok, fais bye bye.
Bye bye.